Hi guys, we are doing the My Dog Picks My Makeup. Millie is all excited, that is why she is panting. This is the makeup look that she picked out the products for. Okay, you went down. Basically, it's pretty self-explanatory, but I put down makeup items for Millie to pick out, and the one that she picked, I would use that makeup for my look today. For primers, I have set down this Smashbox Find a Primer You'll Love sample and the Ulta Beauty Hydrating Face Primer and the Catrice Prime and Fine Smoothing Refiner. Millie is also eating her food right now, so that is the crunching that you are hearing in the background. Come over here, look, which one? Which one? What one? That one? Okay. She picked the Ulta Beauty Hydrating Face Primer, and I was actually hoping she would pick this one. Starting off with primer, using a pretty good size amount. This stuff smells lightly of coconut. I think this is a pretty good primer when I am looking for more of that dewy, hydrating look. And my skin has been pretty dry lately, so I'm really happy that she picked this hydrating primer because my skin has been needing some extra hydration. For foundations, I have the Jane Iredale Glow Time Mineral BB Cream and also the Jane Iredale Mineral Foundation. Go ahead, which one? Okay. So she picked out the Jane Iredale, no, oh bonk! She picked out the Glow Time Full Coverage Mineral BB Cream. I'm really glad she picked this because this is my everyday go-to foundation. I've been really enjoying BB cream and the coverage that it gives. It's not full coverage as it states. Maybe if you build it up more, it will get there. But to me, I just kind of like the more natural look that it gives. I don't have multiple concealers, so I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape, but I'm pretty sure Millie would be okay with it. Oh, okay, thank you! It seemed like Millie was okay with me using it. For powders, I have the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder and the Bare Minerals Mineral Veil. Okay, which one? That one? I'm going to set my under eyes and around my face with powder, and Millie picked the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. This powder does dry me out a little bit more than the Bare Minerals one, and that's typically the one that I've been using. But this is a really good setting powder, and I do still enjoy it, but since I was able to use the hydrating powder, I think it will be fine. For contouring, I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit for light to medium and the NYC Smooth Skin Bronzing Face Powder. And I just use one of the colors in here that is similar to this color, just for light bronzing and light contouring. What one? Now I am using the NYC Smooth Skin Bronzing Face Powder. I just place this all over my face. It's kind of like a pre-bronzing powder is what I use it as. I wouldn't say really contouring, but I do just kind of place it in the areas that I would contour, but very messily. For bronzers, I have the regular bronzer and the light bronzer, and they're both Physician Formula's butter bronzers, so we'll see which one she chooses. Go ahead. That one? Okay. This is the light bronzer. I typically use the regular bronzer, the darker one. For blush, I have the Milani Luminoso blush and the Tarte Quirky blush. My goodness. Okay, Millie, go ahead. Which one? That one? Okay. Thank you. Millie chose the Tarte blush in Quirky. And this is my everyday go-to blush. I love this. It's just gives this nice little natural flush of pink. It's like this perfect shade. I love it so much. Look at that. Gorgeous. For highlight, we have the Wet n Wild Precious Petal and the Ulta Beauty Face Highlighting Stick in the shade Pixie Dust. That one? Okay. Okay. Thank you. Millie did pick this Ulta Beauty Face Highlighting Stick, and this is my everyday highlight. I love it so much. I did put powder on, and I know you're not supposed to put like cream over a powder, but I just kind of tap this in and it doesn't move anything. It looks beautiful. So we're good to go. It's fine. For eye primers, I have the Urban Decay's Primer Potion and MAC's Painterly Paint Pot. Okay, moving on to eyes, Millie chose the Urban Decay Primer Potion, and I haven't used this in a long time, but I do remember that it was really good and it has kept the eyeshadow on, so I believe I won't be disappointed. I just have been using the MAC Painterly Paint Pot recently, and that one really helps cover up the veins. That's why I haven't used this primer potion in a little while, but I do remember that it was good. For eyeshadow, I have the Revlon Colorstay Quad in Addictive and the Tartelette in Bloom palette. Okay, Millie, come around. Which one do you want? This one or that one? That one? Millie chose the Tartelette in Bloom palette. It has a great selection of neutrals. This is a really good everyday palette and I really love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this shade Charmer, sit on the brow bone. Then I'm going to mix Flower Child and Smarty Pants and work this into the crease. You know what? I'm gonna zoom you guys in. Leader and Activist, and I'm going to mix those two shades together. I'm just gonna pat this on the outer part of the eyelid and then work it into this crease. I just took this brush with a little bit more of Smarty Pants and just blended out those edges, just like this. Now for a little glitter, this is the ColourPop eyeshadows, the Super Shock eyeshadows. This one is On the Rocks and this one is I Heart This. Which one? For the pop of color, Millie chose the On the Rocks ColourPop Super Shock Shadow, and I'm just going to take my finger and pat this on. Then I'm going to take my finger and just kind of push that outer eyeshadow inward, and then tap again with whatever is remaining on my finger of the Super Shock shadow and just pat, pat, pat. Okay, I'm just gonna take Funny Girl on my ring finger and place this right in the center of On the Rocks and the darker outer edge colors. Then I'm just just taking my middle finger and just kind of smoothing all of the edges together so there's not such a harsh line. Then I'm using a little smudger brush, and I'm going to take Leader and Activist and mix those two colors together. I'm just using these colors to line my lower lash line. Then I'm using this tapered ruby brush, and I'm just going to blend out the harsh lines on the lower lash line. Now using that same smudger brush, I'm just going to go into the ColourPop on the Rocks shadow, and I'm just going to pack this on the lower lash line, just like that. Then I'm going to take some of that Funny Girl and pop it right on the inner corner. Then I'm going to go ahead and line my eyes with the Ulta Beauty Micro Felt Tip Liner. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Then I'm going to put on some mascara, and since I only have one mascara right now, I'm just going to use that and put on a little bit of brow powder. This is the Maybelline Brow Define and Fill Duo, and this is the only thing that I've been using for brows, so I'm gonna do that as well. Then I'll be right back. For lipsticks, I have a Neutrogena one, a Almay one, and a Tarte little lip paint. Okay, which one? Almay, this one? Okay. For the last thing Millie picked, it is lipstick, and she picked the Go Wild Almay lipstick. This is like my daily favorite nude. It's just perfect, watch. It is the perfect nude for me. It's like the perfect amount of pink and nude mixed together. Plus, it smells like sugary. It smells so sweet. I love it. Love this lipstick so much. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. I think Millie did a good job picking out what makeup to use. It all went together really well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to subscribe and share and like this video. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Good girl.